What's going on, guys? This is Sector 4 here, Document Templates. So my goal this week was to implement a particular feature to our previously made document template class. This feature will be called Add Header, and it's a method that automatically generates a logo and hospital logistic field at the top of a document template. So today we're going to look at the sick note template, and we're going to generate it right now. And if you look to your left, you can see now that format has just now been generated. And if you look at the template, we have all the fields but the header, which is what we implement today. So this is the code for that same form that we just generated. And if you look right here, you'll see that we implemented a add header method that passes in the font size, the name of the hospital, the phone number, and the address. And these three fields are just characters or strings. And several lines below that, we create a sick note variable that is represented as an object. And then with that object in this commented line, we're going to uncomment the line so that we can use that same object and call that new function that we just created. And once we save it, we'll go ahead and get rid of the old form since we made some modifications, and we'll run that same command. And as you can see, we have our header here. So I think a lot of the time spent this week for me was getting this image to a presentable size for our document. Initially, it was gigantic, and I had to figure out a solution on how to shrink that photo, and for future references, I have to go back and encapsulate the rest of these forms, meaning encapsulating the form's code, and just take care of some vertical margins and the horizontal margins and just some other formatting housekeeping rules.